Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
So, just want to know how do you came to know about Dua Old Age Caring Institution at our Noida Center?
As a professor from JNU, I have been working on population issues. Uh, Demographically, population is aging very, very fast, and India is no exception. We have a lot of elderly people for whom care is needed.
Mm-hmm.
So, this research made me visit all the old age care homes and institutions
Mm-hmm.
in old age in Delhi NCR, and I came here,
Mm-hmm.
and I was very, very happy to see the services being provided by this institution.
Oh, how you make difference between other centers and Dua? What are the difference between services?
Yes, Dua provides personalized care to each and every inmate over here.
Okay.
I was really surprised to see how each and every at whatever age groups they are, because we have young elderlies, middle elderlies, and old people over here with different sort of care needed.
Mm-hmm.
Number one, individualized service. Number two, round the clock service. Number three, medical emergency in case if it is there, very fast action. And over and above ट्रांसपेरेंसी. इन लोग नॉट ओनली पर्सनल केयर देते हैं, लेकिन आप जब भी चाहिए आप वीडियो मोबाइल में देख सकते हो जे क्या करते हैं, कैसे खाना परोसे जा रहा है, कैसे खाना खाया जा रहा है, कैसे फॉर ऑल डेली एक्टिविटीज we do receive videos where you can watch and you can figure out if you are putting someone your near and dear ones, how they are. You can see this across miles apart.
Okay. So basically, just want to know the behavior of Dua Old Age Caring Institution, like professionalism of our caretakers and nursing staff. कैसा behavior है उनका, यहाँ के staff का, nurses का, according to you?
Staff तो they are very well trained, और सबसे बड़ी बात इतना humble and इतना selfless care. क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ विजिट किया, मैंने टाइम स्पेंड किया इस इंस्टीट्यूशन में, मैंने देखा जितना प्यार से ये लोग ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल को ट्रीटमेंट दे रहा है, सारे डेली नेसेसिटीज प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, ये दिस इज रियली अमेजिंग.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू.
घर में एक केयर होते हैं, और समटाइम्स हम लोग सोचते हैं ओल्ड एज इंस्टीट्यूशन में ये मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, हमें तो लगता है यहाँ घर से भी ज्यादा अच्छा केयर मिल रहा है सब.
सो नाइस कि एज अ फैमिली मेंबर अगर आप देखते हैं, किसी को सजेस्ट करते हैं, तो क्या दुआ इज अ सेफ और कंपैशनेट हैंड में रहेगा? अगर कोई एल्डरली यहाँ आता है, क्या वो सेफ रहता है एल्डरली हमारे पास, एज पर योर विजिट्स जो आपने यहाँ ऑब्जर्व किया है?
To my mind, Dua is very, very friendly towards this very sensitive age group. We often neglect this age group, but they need care. They cannot speak out for themselves. You have to understand them, which Dua is doing.
Okay.
So I will recommend people. I think I can recommend people. Not only that, I found a place for myself also in times to come.
Okay. So, is there anything where we have to improve our services?
To my mind, I have not seen anything which has come to the light where I can say that this has to be strengthened. But the only thing which I can say at this moment, that I wish you and your efforts that you go a long way in providing this selfless, dedicated service to our elderly.
Means a lot, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Regarding the services, like do we provide like people want to know what type of services we are giving, the AC, non-AC, fooding, lodging, about this?
हमारे तो जो मैंने देखा यहाँ पे हर तरह का है, एसी रूम्स भी है, नॉन एसी रूम्स भी है, वेजिटेरियन डाइट भी है, नॉन वेजिटेरियन डाइट भी है, फॉर द यंग ओल्ड सॉलिड फूड है, फॉर द मिडिल ओल्ड somewhat diluted, some mashed food is being given, and for the absolutely old who cannot eat, for them liquid diet. And More importantly, since elderly aging comes with a lot of health problems,
Yes.
so personalized medication is being done. Each patient is being provided with the medicines which, of course, their family members are giving to the center, and but they are being dispensed at
Okay.
perfect time intervals.
Okay. So just the last feedback you want to give to the Bengalis, as you are Bengali, we have Bengali clients over here. So any you want to give any feedback to them?
হ্যাঁ, এখানে আমি ঘুরে দেখেছি অনেক বাঙালি আছেন, আর অনেকে আমার বন্ধুও হয়ে গেছেন। সবাই কিন্তু খুব ভালো আছে, কেননা এখানে একটা কমিউনিটির মতন ফিলিং আছে, যেটা খাওয়া দাওয়া, ওষুধ, স্নান করানো, কেয়ার নেওয়া, এটা তো আছেই আছে, বাট এখানে কখনো পেশেন্টকে ধরে হাঁটানো হয়, কখনো কোনো অ্যাক্টিভিটিসে এনগেজ করা হয়। আমার মনে হয় মানুষের ধীরে ধীরে এটা জেনে যায় যে এটাই আমার বাড়ি।
Thank you so much. Do you recommend anybody about Dua Old Age Caring Institution to take the assisted living care over here?
Definitely, definitely. As I was telling, I was thinking for myself, ourselves only, my husband and me. But now, when I would talk to my friends, my relatives, अगर किसी को लगे जे this sort of institutionalized care का जरूरत है, तो मैं जरूर recommend करूँगी।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for such a nice feedback. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.